ordered a hot, tasty pizza. I want. And me. Tap any available pizza margherita.
Nikita's mood for today. What would you choose? Nikita Helper or Nikita Mischief? We have 5 things in the list. Buy only things that we need. I have nice helpers. Such a comfortable trolley. Such an effective shopping. Well. But lemon. Eggplant. Grapes. Apple.
Boiled eggs.
Radishes. I have nice helpers.
Crab meat.
Such a comfortable trolley.
Hi.
Pay for your goods, please.
It's too much. It's too much. It's too much.
Vlad hasn't found anything from the list. Nikita failed to find something from the list.
Put duff and roll it out. Cut the edges of the dog. Connect all the dogs in the correct order. Put sauce on the dove. Move saucepan to the dove. Move saucepan to the dove. Choose the ingredient you need and add the correct amount. Put pizza in the oven. Wait a little. Get the pizza from the oven. Cut pizza to pieces. Use knife and choose where to cut. To cut, free the knife.
shark, mommy shark, mommy shark. Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark.
The hot pizza.
Grandma shark,
So cool! Hurrah! Have a nice meal and good day.
Grandpa shark, Grandpa shark. Let's go dance.